Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off calendar sync to Samsung account on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my settings on my Samsung Galaxy phone. And after we have opened our setting, we need to go to the accounts and backup. You can scroll down until you find this menu. Select accounts and backup, and here you're going to go to manage accounts. Okay, and here guys, I have logged into multiple accounts on my Samsung Galaxy phone, and here we just need to make sure that we select the Samsung account. Wait, I'm going to choose my Samsung account here. Okay, this one, as you can see, this is my Samsung account. I create Samsung account with my Google account, and I'm just going to click on that, and then we can click on sync account. Okay, and if you want to turn on or turn off the calendar sync, you just need to select the calendar right here. As you can see, I have activated the calendar sync. So if we want to turn it off, we can click on the circle button like this. And now the calendar sync has been turned off. And if you want to activate it, just simply click on the circle button like this. Okay, and I'm just going to activate the calendar sync guys. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And here you will be able to customize or to change the synchronization for contacts, and then reminder, and also the Samsung Notes and Wi-Fi as well. And I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and then if you go back to manage accounts, you will be able to sync with your Google account. Here you can choose the account you want to customize the synchronization. For example, I'm just going to choose one of my Google account, because here I have looked into many accounts guys, and for example I'm going to choose this one. We can go to sync account, and then if you want to turn off or turn on the calendar sync, we just need to go to the calendar. And here we'll be able to customize the synchronization of contact and sheets, drive, or Gmail. It's up to you. You can customize it as you like. Okay, and basically you just need to go to the setting to turn off or turn on the calendar sync. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn off or turn on calendar sync. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.